hit the brakes, man. I saw her. I saw the rabbit 3 times she did.
Oh shit.
Run, go. I'm like,
Reach out for
I
it.
hit the brakes.
What are you doing?
I didn't want over it. And she rolled over a couple times. That was probably the best thing, though, because the rabbit, if she would have got down, she would have chased that rabbit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Been gone.
She's out now. You should have did that someplace. So I'm gonna
Yeah, he was in a hurry when you dropped your wallet too, apparently. What the fuck, dude? Your wallet. No, I didn't. I didn't watch the video. I was just like, oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, he's going all over. You got wet yesterday, huh?
Watch the video. I got the video on her.
Yeah, I saw it. Now you need a canopy.
I got the kids on the dog.
I bet they do.
I was a little bit lost. But there's a road back there you go back.
That back here, where you first took off, behind the school. Yeah, I was looking at that. That's what I said. You're gonna need one of them Awooga horns. Oh, really?
I don't want to scare people. Little ones that they, I don't know how.
Oh yeah. Not with all your shit.
My trailer's coming the next couple days. I have a trailer full of trailer. I said do a DoorDash. The fun. I don't have to take the order. I can get $5 wage.
Well, like I said, what are you gonna do? Get you a snowsuit?
I don't need a glove.
You gonna need you some fucking mud and snow tires.
I'll put her in an insulated dog carrier.
What do you think about all of this craziness?
I ordered a lock to put on your wheel, right? And somebody tried to mess with anything that sounds wrong. I need that for one of them.
Yeah.
Somebody go away with it, you know? That's a pretty car. What is it?
It's a Ford, 37 Ford.
37?
Yes, sir. No, sir, not at all. Been in my family for a very long time. So,
I circled around Billy and those cars back there on the trailer. Behind that old one. I was gonna head back around that way. Yeah, I want to go. Well, you want to go that? Did you already go that way?
Just a little bit, not very far.
Well, let's go this way and I'll walk that way. You're gonna take somebody out with his camera behind you. Can you put that straight up?
No.
You take somebody out. Yeah.
I used to go with this. That's a little piece there. So down. It looked just out like that driver's head sticking out the window all the time. It was real big dog. Here, like you already did it. That doesn't eat the body. Yeah. Never met an enemy. That doesn't eat no dog. Rabbits and cats. Yeah, what do you need to do? You need a phone. This is a 57, isn't it? 57 City? could have been a while though,
There you go.
A little better.
that was yeah, I gotta go get some cash here soon.
That's neat. I've never seen anything like that.
I want $10 already for him. I'll pay you tomorrow for $2 hamburgers. Everything coming out, I think it's really hot. I'm like, hey, give me 2 of those. I gotta go get some
Did you see my message or thing that I tagged you? I tagged you on Billy's post. I don't care. They had the
I forgot about it. So I started looking in the reader to see what's going on today. I was like, wait a minute. So I put it on my phone.
Alright.
It's even better put it on my phone. You have it this way?
Here, get something to drink.
We'll go get something to drink and catch up. I'll catch up.
I was like thinking about making that blue one into a rat rod. Watching him walk around earlier. It was almost.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? That's nice. I like it.
Need to get through here?
I owe you guys $10. I owe you $10.
It's pretty cute too.
Hey, can you give me a call
I don't know. But I know.
Did they bring you the lighter?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't want no red lighter.
That wasn't yours?
No, I don't want that, man. Red lighter's bad luck.
It was in the grass.
Red lighter, no bueno.
You probably threw it out of the car, didn't you?
No, no bueno.
Yeah, don't want everybody.
Got any weed? Yeah. Why's the smoke coming out of your mouth? Terry Rundell.
Terry Rundell? Speaking of Rundell, where is he?
Terry Rundell.
Where is Rundell?
Ron, did you say Dr. Pepper?
Ron, how much does that little get up there?
18 minutes.
Oh,
I haven't found a road that I can, a hill that I can't go on. So, how long's your battery last? It lasts forever. I just charged it up every night. It's at 80% right now. When I left home, it's 100. So yeah, you know, save a lot of gas. You know, just going down to Cafe for
Ron, can she sit on that real quick, see if she's comfortable on it?
How much you weigh? Sorry, it's got a limit, I think.
What?
You can try it. No, try it. Just sit on it. Just sit on it.
Either way, I'm going to get a different seat for it.
Well, yeah, you can sit on it. Maybe not putting the whole weight on it. I don't know. It's already, it came with the wobbling wheel. The wheel's wobbling. My back wheel wobbling.
What?
It's brand new. So I'm waiting for the company to send me parts to fix it.
Yeah, whenever I want to get something.
Back.
I think it's pretty good. I don't know. You know, like,
It's right there. I want one with the big seat. I don't like
I'll get
Exactly. Same
Everything else is
Go
bicycle.
broke. I'm like, gee, I don't know why.
Bicycle, you gotta buy all the expensive.
Yeah.
But you do, I mean, I had to have a phone all that stuff.
The one you had for your motorcycle didn't work?
No, that's what it is. And the motorcycle, I charge my phone. I can plug in. That's just on the motorcycle. It keeps the value. But maybe what I want is to buy a bike. Yeah, I have no use for it.
Yeah.
Remember the 18th?
Oh. Yeah, you got. I mean, yeah. Half the time when I put shit on the calendar, it doesn't even fucking show up. I'm like,
That pisses me off. You gotta get it twice. Yeah, I need a.
come say hi to her.
There you go. Tell her it's a double four. Well, it's two.
Oh yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm looking for that awful
Yeah. Like I said. Billy.
I ain't got time for this. Man's trying to kill me.
What is that?
Well, he can't catch you.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, he's right too fast.
I ain't gonna take it. Why are you gonna stay like that?
I bet you I can catch you. How long can you run 17 miles an hour?
I owe him.
I bet you I can catch you.
I know you can run 17 miles an hour. So I said you're gonna need mud tires, snow tires.
I'm gonna go around and take a video with that.
Y'all did good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good. Hey, I'm trying to I love the color of this blue one. The baby blue. Yeah.
So,
I love that baby.
what do you want? CD player? See, we're over.
All right, guys, listen up. If anyone out there still has a judge's sheet on their vehicle or has not been judged, come up here and let us know.
Oh my God.
I need all of the judges to meet up here at the registration booth.
Oh yeah.
That was the best. Guys, if you have not been judged, let us know. Yeah, that's we'll send somebody out and do one more walkthrough pass by.
Pretty GTO. See what?
You need a ladder to see mine.
Nice step stool.
Yeah.
Scrambler's pretty cool. Down here, the Jeep. Scrambler.
January, February, I wonder how far I can get that.
I don't know. Get
Oh
up
my
to
God.
17 miles an hour and try it.
Well, I can do it. I bet you I can do it if it was blacktop, because I can get up that hill. Blacktop, big hill. When I first went up that hill, I said, if I can get up this hill, I can get up in there. But I do ride, actually, use the pedals sometimes. It's good exercise from the road.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
But the doctor gave me a couple of different pills. Whoop. The doctor gave me a couple of different pills. I started taking yesterday, and I think they're really helping my hand.
Hey, that's good.
One of them, I gotta look at it. One of them's supposed to be for nerve pain. I'm like, well, if that's gonna help me, then you can give me this before.
Yeah.
Because I asked for something stronger than the pain. I guess it's not in your stuff. I think I'm already taking the stronger.
It was like a luxury.
I had that pill now.
Well, I mean, once you take something for so long, you're gonna get. They're not gonna win. Hopefully, my tickets ain't running around. Oh, it's the one that they draw. Sorry, stand here a little bit. It's the one that they draw.
How my hood comes up. Probably much easier to work on.
I like the stuff.
Yeah.
They're natural.
Yeah.
Very cool. So I'm talking to the guy. He's like, yeah,
I wonder how much you can tow it for.
it's a cross between a Bronco and a. He said his dad used to sell them.
Look at this. I like that.
Yeah, a little go-kart. VW.
DoorDash. I'll start doing DoorDash in my truck. People
You're going to spend more on gas than you would
well, I'm doing it for the
bacon.
video. I'm not doing it really for money. Maybe I'll do it once or twice. Actually, no, I'm using my truck.
Yeah.
Everybody talk about it. Because it's the only one here.
I did. You weren't there. My kids, Wesley, no girls. That's like one of their favorites here.
When are they drawing?
They're supposed to do awards at 1.
Oh, 1? This is pretty.
Oh, I know. I already got pictures of this thing. Oh, I didn't get a picture of that.
Look at the little trailer.
I know. I love the tray. And
Oh, cool. The iconic 32 Ford.
As I told you, I'm not a Ford person, but I definitely got this thing.
Pointing over here, I'm like, yeah, I know, I'll get there.
Tires, I get it. It's like 7. The late model truck, late model. Yeah, the 03 Heavys. And then they put 5.7.
Make it up the hill?
A lot of grass, too slick on it.
Too much horsepower.
My tires are spinning.
Yep. Get you some knobbies on there.
That's what I saw.
I'll say get a running start back in the ring.
Come on, bud.
Where are you gonna go look over here now?
Yeah, let's go look down that side.
Thanks.
I like that. Like they're all they're set up.
Lucky Strike.
Yep. Very cool.
That's a Boss 302 Mustang. That's one of Dad's favorite Mustangs.
Yep. Absolutely. That's what I want. Exactly what I want.
No, you're supposed to be on your exercise, just run around. Just run around.
Oh, I get that roof this on only one. Nope.
Watch out. Soda.
Done about 18 years.
Right around the soda.
I'm really good with new wine walls, and I had this done in the original.
Taping me down.
Like kind of the old theater material, yeah. Pricey, but they look good. Yeah. And I wanted kind of a mold. I'm a house painter by trade for 42 years, so I'm all about lots of different colors. Good job.
My name's Andrea.
I'm Jacob. Yeah, we love the cars. They're awesome. They only made 1,089 of these before. Yeah, how much they are.
I gotta go throw my can away from me. I can set it down here.
Okay. And I'm like,
Ma'am, is that a little Maltese?
no.
No?
Con free?
I'm sorry. We have a little Maltese, that's why.
She's his.
Can I pet?
I'm just walking around.
No, baby. Just go over look at you.
Oh, why? They all lick you.
I know.
Even though that tongue's been some other place.
I know.
It's okay, Angel.
First thing people do when they want to pet her is put
their hands out?
So they can lick them.
Yeah.
Pet her.
That's all right. We got a little Maltese, which is not as curly as that. You know, they're kind
Right.
of straight haired and
Right.
a little small. I think she's like 8 pounds now. So,
I don't think she's gonna do any bigger.
and she rules the house, all the girls.
yeah.
I mean, she's about as spoiled as you look at her. She rolls over and says, belly rub.
Yeah.
You know? Oh.
I
Cool.
wish I had somebody love me like I love her.
I know. Same way here. That's what I tell my wife.
Be in paradise.
Because I'm at the bottom with all my girls, my daughters, and my wife and everything. You care more about the dog than I do, than anybody else, you know. So, but that's all right. It's all about love.
I love her more than I love most people. Right? You and me are like that.
Yeah. Give me an ice cube. I love ice cubes, probably.
Oh, I got a thing. I need to get some water. I bet they got some
They
water.
got up there at the building up there. They got
Yeah,
some.
I'll go give you a drink.
You know.
I got a thing.
All right. Nice talking to you.
Thanks.
I just wanted to talk to the puppy dog. That's all.
Yeah.
My brother used to have a dog, and all the girls would come and see the dog, so he can meet the girls.
Yeah, they kidnapped me.
Ow! That was my foot.
You already got her majorly spoiled. She's wanting back in that basket.
Go back in the basket.
She's chasing you down. You're rotten. You're a rotten dog. You're rotten. Ooh, rotten. Here, where's your dad now?
Okay, you happy now?
Pulling as hard as she could during the kitchen.
You gotta figure out how to do it. picture of that. I got home, and I went home 30 minutes ago. I got my picture back. I got that nice for you.
Holy shit!
So we rode over there and took it out. It was real cool, the way he was picturing it, you know. So I appreciate the fact.
Well, maybe you could set the pad in there. And then that way if you're walking around Walmart, you go, yeah, exactly. Yeah,
But that was fun.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I haven't been through here. But look at,
Huh? Well, it's pretty good.
that's what I want. Right here. Yep, that's it. Majority of them that I see are automatic. There's no way when I own one of these cars and want an automatic in it. But I want something. Wish I had a square body.
Oh, my first mini bike I had was that thing.
Oh yeah. I'm not much on them, but I definitely take the note. I just square body. But anyway, yeah, I was up in the truck from Jeffco Foods. Left, and I have a freaking screw like that big in my fucking tire.
Oh, man.
My car's at the house flat.
Oh,
But
Picture is really good.
I don't know. I got, those are pretty much new tires. I've got 4 tires all the way around. I don't drive the truck that much.
With my Kia, I had a problem with the
Bullshit.
I ended up buying all these things.
You had to put 2 maybe if they different tread or what. I don't know. Yeah.
That's cool.
But yeah, I was like, because Jim said something about registration. That's what reminded me of that. And they got a thing over them now. Karen, they brought out a Chevy.
Oh, man.
I think pretty highly of them, I don't know.
It was very pretty, but it's a long bed. I prefer a short bed. Oh man. That's a shame. Somebody needs to do better body doors on that thing. You can see all the ripples in it. The dents. Yeah, most people recognize the dog, not him.
Look at this, man.
huh?
Oh, nice. Saw that?
Yeah, $40.
I like that.
Yeah, the one I was looking at was 70.
The one I'm doing
Yeah?
oh my God.
Yeah, there was a pink one over there. Pink purple.
I got parts on that whole thing.
I'd go buy it.
Because
these guys aren't
here
here.
every year.
Got a knife in the purse. Works just fine. Cut that twine off them round bells.
Last car show I came to. Last car I came to. I bought that one.
I had to sit for an hour. They did a picture every second for an hour. And then the camera puts it in the video.
That's what we need.
What I gotta do is every
Yeah. By the time you end up customizing all this thing, yeah, it's gonna cost you just as much as
It was like $45,000.
Depending on which one you get.
You wasn't doing it back in
I
Brown
looked
Street,
at
was
it.
you?
It's not right on numbered highways, so it's so But it would be nice to have something like that you go around.
Guys, at the corner of the parking lot here in the back,
But you can't go.
it is our only in and out for us over here. Someone's got a motorcycle, has blocked us where we can't enter and exit to get back here. So if you could please move your motorcycle, it's a no parking area.
Yeah, I done got yelled at for it.
And we also have a pickup truck in the back corner that is blocking our vehicles to be able to go back and forth bringing supplies.
Well, things that fit through a door? Things fit through a door? Yes, into it. Here, let me go throw this in the trash. Carrying mine and yours around.
Yeah.
Thank you. You bet.
All right, guys, last call on the concession stand. I think we got about 10 or 15 hot dogs and hamburgers left over there. Still got some soda and beer. But it's going to be last call on the concession. When it's gone, it's gone. And here in about 20 minutes, we're going to try and get everything sorted out. And I'll give you a yell, bring you guys up, we'll start giving out awards. I know the judges said it's really tough this year. There's a lot of vehicles out there that were really hard to judge because they were so perfect. They couldn't find some flaws. So it looks like we got a pretty good spread this year of vehicles. All right, guys, I forgot also the 50-50. Dave Allen has them over here at the registration tent. We'll be doing the 50-50 right before the awards, too. He said it was looking pretty good. I'm not sure the amount. Nobody told me yet, but your last chance to get 50-50 tickets.
I haven't eaten yet.